Today we're looking at compound interest again, and compound interest can be seen as a good thing. So if you have a savings account, for instance, that is having interest compounded, that is having a compounded interest, you're actually making more money on that savings account. Okay, formula is no different. This is just a little bit extra practice for you guys today because this formula can be a little bit difficult. All right, so let's do some. All right, so we are told that our interest or our principal is $900 and our annual interest rate is 3%. But remember, we're going to change that to a decimal, 0.03. Our time is 1 year and our interest is compounded quarterly. So remember, compounded quarterly is 4. All right, here is our simple interest formula. So let's plug it in. 900 times 1 plus 0.03 over 4, and then n times t, so 4 times 1. So plug this in your calculator, use the parentheses, definitely use the alpha y enter trick to get that fraction in there. And then again, we use the little caret key above the division sign to do that 4 times 1 in the exponent. And I got $927.31. All right, if you're not using a graphing calculator, let's figure out what that fraction is. So 0.03 divided by 4. Which is 0.0075. And then we're going to figure out what that number is, which is just going to be 1.0075. So take 1.0075, raise it to the 4th power, and you get 900 times 1.03. And then again, you should get about the same number, $927.31. Okay, so then it says how much interest will be paid on the investment. So how much money did you make for this investment? So remember, we take our A, which is $927.31, and subtract our principal. And on this investment, we made $27.31. All right, let's look at another one. For this one, our principal is $2,000. Our interest rate is 3.2%, which we need to then change to a decimal, 0.032. Our time again is 1 year. And remember, semi-annually means twice a year. So let's plug that into our formula. 2,000 times 1 plus R, 0.032, divided by N, which is 2, raised to the N times T, so 2 times 1. Type that in our calculator. Follow along and make sure you're typing it in as well. And I got $2,064.51. All right, for those of you not using a graphing calculator, let's figure out what 0.032 divided by 2 is. I got 0.016 to the 2nd power. So then that's going to be 1.016 when I add those together. So that's going to be 2,000 times 1.016 to the second power. And I got 1.03. Multiply that by 2,000. And I got the exact same thing, $2,064.51. All right, so to find out how much interest will be paid on this investment, we're going to take our A and subtract our original principal. And on this investment, we made $64.51.